Hello everyone, and today we are going to be building my PC. I have a curved monitor and a pre-built PC, both from names you guys have probably heard before. I am not the best builder, but be sure to watch this video until the end so that you can see the price of the PC and monitor, as well as what I plan to do with the PC in the future. Hopping straight into unboxing this PC, I was not sure what to expect because I had never done this before. I thought that I was gonna have to build it from scratch. All I knew was that the color was black. Straight off the bat, I see that there is an LED keyboard, which I was super happy about. And I did notice the plastic wrap, so I knew that I was gonna have to be super careful, and I was so scared that I was going to drop it. But if you guys have seen my videos before, you know I am a careful queen, but I am also super quick and super fast. So sometimes it looks like I'm being rough, but I promise you I am trying my best to be careful. When I tell you guys, as soon as I took that plastic wrap off, I instantly fell in love with the color, the shape. I don't know, I just wanted that PC so bad. Ew! The PC is protected, and if you are like me and you read the instructions, they have instructions on the side of what you need to remove, and they have an instruction manual directing you step by step what to do. I did realize that there was more in the box. There was like a free gaming mouse pad, USB, and of course the mouse. So here's where it gets a little scary. In the direction it does direct you to check the PC, make sure there's no loose cords, nothing missing. I found a loose cord and I instantly became super worried. But after reading the manual and literally calling the number, I realized that there was nothing wrong with it. After preparing the PC to get ready, very carefully putting it on the desk and then going underneath the desk, plugging it in, it was time for my favorite part, which was turning the PC on. Now, when I turned the PC on, I instantly expected it to light up, glow, be ready, but that was not the case. I thought I had done something wrong, I had broken it, but turns out I just pressed the wrong button. There we go. Happiness is an understatement. I was joyous. I felt angelic. I felt like I was flying. And also I seen that there was an LED light that I could change the lights with. Like, what? It's a red and white one. That's so cute. And a green and white. Okay, let me stop. I could play with this all day. Now on to the even scarier part was the monitor, because I feel like it's even easier to break. It's like having a large curved TV. I was so excited to unbox it because I knew that it was going to be satisfying. The monitor came with the monitor itself, a monitor cord, and an HDMI cord. And do not jump into it without reading the directions. I say this with experience because I did have to build this monitor 3 times. I ordered this mouse pad off of Amazon. It was a lot bigger than I thought it would be, but it was the perfect size for my desk. Now with the mouse pad laid down, the PC setup, and the monitor setup, it's time to put it all together. There were specific PC instructions to make sure that when you are connecting the PC to the monitor, that you're plugging the plugs into the right plugs. I am sorry if that made no sense, but you'll see what I mean soon. This wouldn't be my video if it didn't have some cleaning in it, so I went ahead and wiped off the PC and the monitor. The monitor had a weird spot on it that would not come off no matter what I did. But without further ado, it's time to turn on the PC, and off camera I went ahead and I set up the monitor. It is Windows, of course, and on to the final reveal. I absolutely love this setup. The PC is beautiful. The monitor is beautifully curved, large. I don't think I'll have to replace anything, hopefully anytime soon, like at all, because it was a huge investment for me as a college student. So a lot of you may be wondering, why did this girl get a gaming PC? She has a vlogging channel. Well, if you guys watched my 100 subscribers special, you've seen that I played The Sims. I have a Sims obsession. So that includes GTA, Sims 4, Minecraft, Roblox, games where you can build, talk, chat, you know, all those fun stuff. Literally have an obsession with Sims 4 though, so I literally got this PC so I can start a Sims 4 channel. Here is my gaming channel right here. I believe it's called Zizzle's Diary Gaming. I really just want to play The Sims 4, but I will try out different games since I do have this large PC now. One thing I will say is the mouse and the keyboard, their LED settings, I don't know if it's just me and I haven't figured them out yet, but the keyboard literally just glows white, and so it flashes, and I really just don't like that. So I just ended up turning off the keyboard anyways. But for the mouse, it is a gaming mouse. It does have the side pieces where you can click things and all that, and at the top you can change the LED settings, but the settings are weird, and again, it's maybe just me and I don't know how to work it, but I'm probably just going to use my old mouse that had LED lights, and the LED settings were way better. The mouse is smaller. I think it's a little bit more comfortable than that mouse. If you guys want to know the overall price that I spent on the PC, let me get the receipt out. For the Cyber PC, I spent $7.99, and then for the MSI monitor, I spent $199. So in total, it was $1,067.89 with tax here. For me, again, like I said, that's a big purchase. That's the most I've ever spent in my life. Like, I don't even have a car yet. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be true, be you. Go ahead with your bad self. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know down below if you guys enjoyed this video and if you guys would like to see anything else like this from me. When I say if you guys like to see anything else like this from me, let me know. Let me know. So let me know if you guys want to see anything else like this from me, as well as on my other videos. If you guys are watching something and you're really liking it, you're enjoying it, let me know, and please comment down below. We want to see more of this because it really motivates me to want to edit the videos at least. Bye everybody, peace and love. I'm not gonna lie, the keyboard is kind of hard to use, but the sound is so satisfying.